everyone! In this video I will be showing you a macrame basic, how to tie the lark's head knot. Not only am I going to teach you the standard version, but I'm also going to teach you 3 other methods of tying a lark's head knot. Let's get started. Begin by folding your rope evenly in half. Then send that folded end over your dowel rod. You're going to see your loop that hangs behind. Just pull the remaining ends through that loop and then pull it nice and tight. This time, take your folded end behind the dowel rod, pull it over so that the loop hangs in front, and then pull the remaining ends through the loop and pull it nice and tight. For a single-stranded lark's head knot, first start with a regular lark's head knot. Then take the side here on the left and send one end over your dowel rod to form a loop. Twist that rope all the way around and pull it through the loop. Pull it tight. Then take that same cord behind your dowel rod to form a loop. Send the end all the way around and pull it through the loop. Pull it tight. You can do the same on the right side. So you take that end over the dowel rod to form a loop, twist the end all the way around and pull it through the loop and pull it tight. Take that same end, this time behind your dowel rod to form the loop. Take that end all the way around and pull it through the loop and pull it tight. For a vertical lark's head knot, I went ahead and attached a normal lark's head knot. Then I'm going to take the side here on the right and I'm going to cross it over the cord on the left to form a loop. Then I twist it all the way around, pull it through the loop, and pull that cord nice and tight. Then, taking that same cord, I send it behind the cord to the left to form my loop. I twist it all the way around and I pull it through the loop. Pull it nice and tight. You will have formed what looks like a lark's head knot, but off to the side. And there you go. This is 4 different ways that you can tie a lark's head knot. We have our standard lark's head knot, reverse lark's head knot, single stranded lark's head knot, and then a vertical lark's head knot. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more macrame, then check out my online macrame class. You will learn many tips and tricks, knots, and full patterns over in my class. I hope to see you all there.